How to recover your deleted photos and videos on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we're going to specifically look for how we can recover the deleted photos and videos on an Android device. So let's go on with the process on how we can look up on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's go on with the process of how we can delete first. I'm just going to head over to my gallery and delete a picture for now. You may also delete your photo or video if you want to look out how you can do so. For example, I'm just going to delete this picture for now and tap on this delete. After that, move it to recycle bin. So it has been completely removed from this section of my gallery. So let's say I want to recover it. So for that, I'm just going to head back off this app. And then on here, you're going to find this tab 3 dot at the bottom right. Basically, it varies from phone to phone, but you're going to look up for the option called recycle bin. So I'm just going to tap on this right here and I'm going to find this recycle bin option. You can see that I have this picture right here on my screen. So in order to restore it, you can find this restore option at the bottom left corner. Just tap on it and that particular screenshot that I just deleted or any photos or video that you have deleted will be recovered into your account as well. So that's how you basically recover deleted photos and videos on your Android device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.